In today's video, I'm going to discuss the Medicare Levy. The Medicare Levy charge is 2% of your taxable income. If you're relatively new to the country and on a visa, you may not be covered by Medicare. In this case, you do not have to pay the Medicare Levy. That means you'll probably get a larger tax refund. So enjoy that. Once you're eligible for Medicare, that's when you'll need to pay the Medicare Levy. If you'd like us to help with your tax return, I've left my email in the description below the video. Please like and subscribe. It's anonymous and it really helps the channel. So go to Google and type in Medicare Levy. Australian Taxation Office is the first option. Find out about the Medicare Levy and if you are eligible for an exemption or a reduction. First one is what is the Medicare Levy exemption, and then Medicare Levy reduction. Not many people are eligible for those, but if you think you are, please click on those to find out more information. Today I'm going to click on what is the Medicare Levy. The Medicare Levy is an amount you pay in addition to the tax you pay on your taxable income. The Medicare Levy helps fund some of the costs of Australia's public health system known as Medicare. The Medicare Levy is 2% of your taxable income. There's a video the ATO provides which explains the Medicare Levy, which is helpful. You may get a reduction or exemption from paying the Medicare Levy depending on you and your spouse's income and circumstances. You need to consider your eligibility for a reduction or an exemption separately. We include your Medicare Levy when you lodge your tax return. Generally, the pay-as-you-go amount your employer withholds from your salary and wages includes an amount to cover the Medicare Levy. Here's an example. Matthew earns an income of $76,000 annually. He has $1,000 of allowable deductions. Matthew is single and doesn't have dependents. Matthew isn't entitled to the seniors and pensioners tax offset and isn't eligible for any Medicare Levy exemptions or reductions. Matthew will pay a Medicare Levy of 2% on his taxable income. His taxable income is $75,000. The amount of Medicare Levy Matthew pays is $1,500, which is 2%. As a rule, the Medicare Levy is 2% of your taxable income for most income earners. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.